We all look like our family members. Learning objectives. A. To realize that certain characteristics of every individual are hereditary. B. To know that few of our habits are like our relatives. C. To understand that few habits are due to situations and environment we grow in. Hello friends. Have you ever thought you mostly look like your parents? Paternal grandparents or maternal grandparents? Someone must have often told you that you are tall like your great-grandfather. This is known as hereditary. Hereditary means that you pick up traits like color, facial features, and nature like your parents and ancestors. It is found in flora and fauna and human beings alike. Come, let us go and visit a young girl, Tara's home. She stays with her parents, her younger brother, and her grandma in a village in Haryana. They are all going to visit their paternal uncle and aunt in their holidays. Their relatives stay in Gujarat. They will be traveling in a train and it will take them an overnight journey to reach Gujarat. Tara's uncle and aunt have been blessed with twin boys. They are going to meet them. Last Tara met her relatives was when her uncle and aunt got married, which was 6 years ago. That time, her brother Sonu was just a year old. Come, let us also accompany them to Gujarat.
Tara, Sonu, come, let us hurry up. It is almost time for us to leave for the railway station.
Mother, we are ready.
I hope you have packed the gifts you bought for your cousins.
Yes, Tadima, I packed them. I'm very excited. It has been so many years since I met Uncle and Auntie.
I don't even remember how they look like.
Usually, we look a lot like our parents. Our hair, our voices, or some of our qualities are like them. But some of our physical features and habits can be like our relatives too. Sonu, you look like your uncle. Both of you have blue eyes.
And Tara sings as sweet as you.
Yes, absolutely correct.
Let us now leave or else we will miss the train.
Tara and her family members reached the railway station. From there, they boarded the train to Gujarat. Friends, have you ever experienced a train journey? Railways is an important means of transportation in India. We can reach almost every place in India in a train. Mother, when will we reach Uncle's house?
Sonu, we will reach Gujarat tomorrow morning.
Wow, it is so much fun to sleep in the train.
Daddy, could you please help me to plait my hair?
Come, dear Tara, I shall help you tie your hair.
Dadi helps Tara to comb and plait her hair.
Tara, your hair is so silky. They are exactly like your Mausi, mother's sister's hair.
What? My hair is like mossy? How?
Yes, Tara. Your mother and father do not have silky hair, but your Mausi's hair is silky and long like you. Sometimes our hair features are like our relatives too.
Like my eyes are the same color as Uncle's Dadi.
Yes, Sonu, correct.
Next time when I meet Sheila Mausi, I shall touch her hair and observe.
Yes, sure, Tara.
Everyone goes to sleep in some time.
Tara, Sonu, get up, children. We are about to reach in some time.
Who is going to come and pick us up from the station, Mummy?
I think your uncle and Rajni auntie's father, Ramesh Kaka, will come to pick us up.
In some time, Bhuj, a town in Gujarat, arrives. Tara's relatives stay in Bhuj. Everyone gets down there.
Look, Shankar is standing there. He has come to pick us up. Ramesh ji is also standing next to him.
Hello, mother. How are you? Hello, Bhabhi ji. Hello, Tara and Sonu. How big both of you have grown.
Mother, look, my face resembles Shankar Chacha so much.
Yes, Sonu. Remember, I told you the same thing?
Sonu, you look exactly like me. You have blue eyes too.
Hello, children. Let's go. Don't you want to meet your baby cousins?
Everyone boards a bus and leave for the place where Shankar stays.
Come, children. Come, mother.
Everyone reaches Shankar's home and they go inside. Shankar's wife Rajni and the twin boys were there in the house.
How are you, Rajni? These two children are so beautiful. My grandchildren, Chotu and Munna.
How are you, Tara and Sonu? Come, meet your cousins. They are so little but so beautiful.
Tara and Sonu are very happy on meeting their twin cousins.
Chachi, they look absolutely alike. How do you know who is Chotu and who is Munna?
Very true, Sonu. I used to get confused earlier. But you know, Munna can move the little finger on his toe separately. But Chotu cannot. Look, observe his feet.
Sonu and Tara observed the twins. They observed that Munna could move his little toe.
Yes, Chachi, this is Munna. Do you know, Tara can also do exactly like this. But I cannot.
Really? Is it true, Tara? Yes, Chachi. Look, my father can also do the same. A lot of my habits are similar to my father.
I can also draw like my father.
Remember, children, I mentioned that our body parts, features and habits can be like our relatives too. Some of our traits are hereditary, like color, face structure, height, etc. Some of our qualities are also hereditary.
Friends, can any one of you also move the little toe or move your ears? Can you touch your nose with your tongue? Yes, keep trying.
Mummy, really, Sonu and I resemble Baba and you in so many ways. Our facial features, qualities are so similar. Sonu and Shankar Chacha have blue eyes. Munna and I can move our little toe. And my hair is just like Sheila Mausi's hair.
Right then, Shankar sneezes loudly from the adjacent room.
Shankar, you sneeze exactly like your elder brother.
Look, one more similarity.
Tara and Sonu play with their twin cousin brothers. Mother helps Rajni Chachi in the kitchen.
Rajni, Where is your mother?
Mummy, she has gone to the temple.
Come, let us all eat lunch. Then you all should rest. It would have been a tiring journey in the train.
Shankar, let Rajni's mother return from the temple. Then we all shall eat lunch.
Papa, Mavo. Mummy, what is Rajni Chachi saying? Which language is this?
Tara, Rajni Chachi is speaking in Gujarati. She has been brought up in Gujarat. Therefore, she can speak in Gujarati.
Yes, Tara beti. We have always stayed in Gujarat and hence Rajni can talk in Hindi, Gujarati and Haryanvi. She can talk in 3 languages.
Wow, it is amazing.
So, children, few of our habits are formed because of our environment and circumstances. How many languages can you speak, friends? Everyone waits for Rajni Chachi's mother to return from the temple. Chotu and Munna go to sleep till then. Tara and Sonu request Ramesh Kaka to teach them a little Gujarati. So, did you see, friends? Our physical features are sometimes similar to our relatives, and we absorb a lot of habits from our environment and surroundings. Let us now meet in the next video. Till then, all of you think, whom do you resemble from your family?